Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious watercress soup. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need fresh watercress, a couple of potatoes, and 1 onion. We'll also use about 4 cups of vegetable broth and a touch of butter or olive oil to start. This recipe is straightforward and yields a wonderfully comforting dish. Now, let's get our ingredients ready. Begin by washing your watercress very well under cold running water to ensure it's clean. Next, peel and dice 2 medium potatoes into small, even cubes so they cook quickly and uniformly. Finally, finely chop 1 small onion. These preparations are key for a smooth cooking process and a great texture. Time to cook. In a large pot, melt 1 tablespoon of butter or olive oil over medium heat. Add your chopped onion and sauté until it becomes soft and translucent, about 5 minutes. Then, add the diced potatoes and pour in 4 cups of vegetable broth. Bring it to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer until the potatoes are tender, which usually takes about 15 minutes. Finally, stir in the fresh watercress. Once the watercress has wilted, remove the pot from the heat. Carefully use an immersion blender or transfer the soup in batches to a regular blender and blend until it's wonderfully smooth and creamy. Season your soup generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Serve hot and enjoy this nutritious and flavorful dish. For more great recipes and stories, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.